Bead Applicator comes in two models, the 40-inch and the 14-inch. The Bead Applicator was developed for manufacturers and contractors who wanted to put down beads of adhesive. The adhesive often can't be sprayed, rolled, or applied in any other way other than a bead itself. So what we do is we have simply a row of holes that allows the material to flow out. It's gravity feed and it's pretty self-explanatory. When you're using the bead applicator, you put your material into the tank, turn it over, and walk along. As you walk along, you don't want to have your tank way up here where the wind can move your beads around. The machine is designed so that it's easy to handle, and as you walk along, you're putting down your beads of adhesive. At the end of the day, if you have any material left, you can simply fill it back, slide your 5-gallon bucket under, and you'll be able to recover any material that's in the hopper. One other thing just to mention, we get a lot of calls about people thinking they need to buy a tank spreader for bead application. That's not the case. The bead applicator does not have a roller on it. Tank spreader has a roller on the applicator. The bead applicator is allowing the beads to go directly from the tank down onto the roof. Real simple machine, gravity fed, easy to use. Hope it helps you out.